The VEF I-16 was a prototype Latvian fighter aircraft designed by Kārlis Irbītis and produced by VEF in 1939. Development was halted by the Soviet occupation of Latvia in 1940 and subsequent purges of VEF personnel. Description: the I-16 was of conventional monoplane layout with a Walter Sigita supercharged air-cooled V12 engine of Czechoslovak origin, a two-bladed propeller and a low-set wing with rounded wingtips. The prototype had fixed undercarriage with aerodynamic fairings, but production models were to have retractable landing gear. The cockpit seat and controls were designed as one unit. They could be assembled totally separately from the rest of the aircraft and then installed as a unit with only 6 bolts. While the prototype was unarmed, there were provisions for 2 machine guns in the fuselage, along with the ability to carry 1 additional gun under each wing. Operational history: in the spring of 1940, Latvian Air Force pilots made the first test flights of the VEF I-16 prototype. After the occupation of Latvia in June 1940, the Soviet authorities ordered that all VEF aircraft be removed from Spilve Airport, and, a few weeks later, all parts fabrication and assembly work was ordered suspended pending further instructions from Moscow. In March 1941, the I-16's designer Kārlis Irbītis received orders to prepare 1 example each of the VEF I-12, VEF I-15A, and I-15B, I-16, VEF I-17, 2 variants, and VEF I-18, to be shipped to Moscow for evaluation. The I-16 still had engine problems and needed further testing, so was left behind and stayed in Riga. Following the German invasion of the Soviet Union, the I-16 managed to make several test flights from an aerodrome in Kalnciums, but soon a single example was captured by German forces and tested by the Luftwaffe. The VEF I-16 was used as training aircraft at an aviation school in Turin until 1942. Specifications: I-16. Data from Latvia's Little Hawk. General characteristics: crew 1. Length 7.30 meters, 23 feet 11 in. Wingspan 8.23 meters, 27 feet 0 in. Height 2.70 meters, 8 feet 10 in. Wing area 11.43 square meters, 123.0 ft superscript 2. Empty weight 1,100 kilograms, 2,420 pounds. Loaded weight 1,540 kilograms, 3,388 pounds. Power plant 1 times Walter Sigita ISR air-cooled, inverted V12 engine, 403 kilowatts, 540 horsepower performance. Maximum speed 483 kilometers per hour, 261 knots, 300 miles per hour, at 7,900 meters, 25,900 feet. Range 805 kilometers, 438 mi, 500 miles. Service ceiling 8,100 meters, 26,600 feet. Wing loading 136 kilograms square meter, 28 pounds ft superscript 2. Power mass 220 with kilograms, 0.13 horsepower pound. Armament: guns 2x 7.9 mm Browning machine guns. References: external links. VEF Irbītis I-16 at latvianaviation.com. I-16 at airwar.ru. See also